Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Today's stock pick is Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, TSM. Check out technical analysis. Daily US stock watch list with technical analysis. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action. US stocks watch list, technical analysis included. February 6, 2024. Simple moving average, SMA. 50-day period moving average. TSM have been trading above the 50-day MA period for more than 50 trading sessions. With its inventory correction cycle is over, demand for smartphones and PCs is improving, and mass production of 3nm chips has started successfully. We could expect this upside to continue and create a new highs. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Average Directional Index, ADX. TSM ADX is near 40, with its continued upside, I believe TSM should be in strong trend soon. With ND above DIS suggesting bullish upside, we should see more upside trading from TSM. Relative Strength Index, RSI. TSM exit overbought region but is coming back from below. This would mean we are going to see more traders and investors into long and buying sentiment. I will watch the trading volume for TSM today, February 6. Disclaimer: this video is only for technical education purpose. Results does not promote or recommend any investment or trading action.